Ever wished you could own a piece of a rare digital artwork or a virtual world, but found it too expensive? Well, that might be possible today, thanks to ERC-404. Welcome to the Economics Design YouTube channel. This is Fehmi, part of the consulting team, and today we'll double-click on what is ERC-404. This is actually a new Ethereum token standard sitting between ERC-20s and ERC-721 or NFTs. What does that exactly mean? In essence, it represents the fusion of ERC-20s and ERC-721s, introducing the concept of semi-fungible tokens. ERC-404 aims to bridge the gap between the liquidity of ERC-20s and the uniqueness of ERC-721 or NFTs. It is a new class of tokens that possesses both uniqueness and divisibility, which is the reason why we're calling them semi-fungible tokens. Imagine owning a piece of a very rare and expensive NFT or a virtual property and having that uniqueness and divisibility and the possibility of actually trading your shares on an open marketplace. That is the revolution that is enabled by ERC-404s. So let's dive into the mechanics of ERC-404s. How does this work? Technically, when you buy an NFT, it would come with a full ERC-404 token. That ERC-404 token is actually dividable, and then if you sell shares of that ERC-404, the corresponding NFT gets burned. On the other hand, if you aggregate all the shares into a complete ERC-404, a new NFT gets minted. Now that you get the mechanics. The beautiful part is both the fungible and non-fungible tokens are tradable separately. Imagine owning a piece of The First 5,000 Days by People, a digital artwork that sold for $69 million. What if that could be divided by 1,000 shares, making it more accessible and sharing the ownership between 1,000 different people? That is the promise of ERC-404s. This doesn't just open the door for more people likely participating and trading for expensive assets and collaborating and sharing them. It actually changes the way we approach the digital economy as a whole. With ERC-404, expensive digital assets are not just like a property that is locked into a vault owned by just one person. It is something that is living and shared among a full community. ERC-404 are not just a new token standard, it is a new way of sharing, connecting communities together, and collecting digital assets without having to own them fully. By combining the flexibility of fungible tokens and the uniqueness of ERC-721s or NFTs, the new standard ERC-404 invite us to rethink the definition of ownership in the digital world. In conclusion, ERC-404 represents a revolution in the Ethereum token standards, combining the flexibility of ERC-20s and the uniqueness of ERC-721s. While it represents an exciting opportunity in ownership and trading of digital assets, please always proceed with caution. While it represents an exciting opportunity in trading and ownership of digital assets, caution should always be exercised as usual. With that, let us know in the comments which NFTs would you like to participate in if they were converted to ERC-404s. Some of the project already adopted the new protocol, and if you want to learn more about this and the future of the blockchain technologies, to dive deeper into the concept of ERC-404, stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more insights into the future of blockchain technology.